government should change the government school in the private sector, because in the government school teacher are not also teacher also don't care about their children. They only just going to school for earning money. As compared to private school, there is a discipline, each and everything. Even teacher cares about their children, and they check their copy as well as also. And even in the private school, the parents meeting teacher is done, but in the government school it is not done. So I think private school is better, and government school should be changed in the private school. Yeah, if we talk about money, then it is a higher in the private school. But if all the government school will change into private school, then it may be government private sector would change, decrease the fees level. If all the children will study in a private sector, then there is no need of higher amount of money. So it maybe they would change it.
But this time, I know very, very well. Every month, every month, guardian meeting is held in government school. This is necessary.
I know that as I've studied that only among all the teachers, only few teachers are sincere about the children's study. As sir has also told, and also I've been studying about this. There are very less teachers which are sincere about the because in the government school, most of the teachers just focus on their salary. If we are getting money, then we should then we are just not focusing on the studies. We are just getting money and salary, and we are happy.
Oh.
Sincere, but if I talk about my school, Villa High School, my teacher name is Sanjeev sir. He is Sanjeev sir. He is also a teacher of maths. So it cares about me, and so.
Sincere for their children. What about the private schools? All teachers are sincere
Yes.
for their
No,
not all the teachers are sincere for their children.
But
I also did
Let her complete,
private
yes.
school. Okay. I know that. What about the if some children are intelligent, and some children are good in study, that type of teacher are all sincere.
But if you talk about if you say that of private school, no, I also said not all the teachers are sincere about the children's study, but the ratio is more higher. If teacher
We are not telling about
listen
Let
to
him,
this.
let him complete.
If the teacher of government school are sincere about the children, about 40%, for example, then the private school teachers are about 65 to 70%. Still, it is more. It is not full, but it is more.
We are not talking about the previous year. Now, there is an exam held by the government to the government teacher. Like, what is the name of that exam?
Yes, I accept your point that the teachers of the government school are just pass the BPSC examination, and then after they just allowed to enter into the government school. But they are not doing their responsibilities very well as compared to private school. Because in the private school, we have seen that the principal or the director of the private school, they are always, you can say that they are always checking or visiting each and every class that teachers will provide the education in a good way. They are just providing the education in a good way as compared to government school. What happened in government school that when you because I am also belongs to a village area, and there is a government school beside me, and I have just seen that teachers, yes, just because of government, you can say that just because of government strict action, teachers comes on time. But after coming on time, what they will do? They just come and they just engage on their own work. They are just talk with each other. They are not teach their children as well as possible. So this is the thing that totally, you can say that totally different from private schools.
Government school is visited from PO, BDO and Tola Sevak every day, every time. They, halfway after tiffin and after before tiffin and after tiffin visited. Your talk is about the previous, but there are from 2 years, school is very increases for study, and the student is improved. I know that. I am a teacher. I was teacher. I know.
In these 2 months, I see that one of my friends whose father is a government headmaster. He is a headmaster. He comes one time in a week, either Monday, either Friday. In those one time in a week, and after they sign their attendance through online, they came to meet her daughter. After approx 3 p.m. they go and they say that I have to make my attendance. After that, my attendance will be made for 1 day. They do such type of work. They, in my opinion, I see them and I thought that they don't take it their responsibility, that it's my prior responsibility is to first teach the students. After that, I have time, then I do extracurricular activities. They only understand that if I make my attendance, then in front of government I will be able to I will be able to my salary. But in compared to government school to private school, not because of pressure, it's the teacher's first priority to first teach the student. Otherwise, if in any test, if the student don't get good marks, it's responsibility to the teacher that why the student not get good marks. It's your responsibility to gain the numbers. Such type of things is done.
Are going in a very good way.
Yes.
Okay, education is also provided in a very
Yes.
better way. Then why the government teachers not teach their son in the government school? Why they want to teach their son in the private school?
But it is a
Because they know, they know that what is the condition, what is the education condition of the government school. That's why they will teach their children in the private school.
all type of private schools not give education high. We see all private school. Every 2 or 3 private school not. For example, DME, Pravata. We should see lower private school. This is not a good education. Provided good education for this.
But if we take any private school,
Similarly, all the government school, I accept it, all the government school, not private, provided.
Teacher teach very well, so why the majority of students go outside the private coachings for their study?
Oh, one minute. Yeah, private student is not take private teacher.
I am talking about the majority of students.
A majority of
Yes.
student in private student, and without coaching, he develop his education is developed.
Yes, of
Pri-
course. Yes, of course.
Oh.
Because I have studied for private school in for 9th class, and during my 9th class study, I don't require any coaching. And after 9th, I was gone to 10th in middle school from government school. Then I have joined up coaching, because in government school there is no teacher to teach. I have no that
What teacher?
Yes, in my time they know.
Yes.
And I know that nowadays government teachers are coming through the BPSC exam, but it's not important that how you are educated. It's only important that how will you teach the students. Your education is not much important.
There are also lots of private students
but their ratio is much less.
No,
Yes.
It is equal.
Yes.
It is
If
equal.
the ratio is equal, then why the parents send their children to the private school?
Because of their mentality.
No.
Can you say that what is the condition of government school?
And she is talking about students,
not the school.
What if all the school is like that?
all the schools.
What if all the school is like this?
all the schools. She's talking about all the
Nice.
schools. Okay.
She is reading in a government school, and what if all the school is like
But
that?
Wait, but my friends are always my friends is also reading in government school, but she's
Which school do you read?
Marwari High School. But her school is very good, and her school provides lots of things, lots of activities.
You both read in a government school, and there is a difference.
But
After 10th, okay, after 10th, why are you taking a government college?
we don't take.
Oh,
Lots of student.
But just because of money, we want more money. That
Okay, you want more money?
yes, and government and it will provide security. It will provide security. That's why we are trying to hiring government job.
Also, government
God
is
But this type of thing will not happen in private sector and even private school. If you compare the salary of a private teacher as well as the salary of a government teacher, then which salary is too much high?
Government.
That's why the people, and that's why the mentality of people is that they want to hire government teacher job.
Every student, why do you prepare for a government job?
Every
Every-
student,
every
student
student
don't prepare for government school.
but 95%.
Because
Yeah. Students preparing for a government job.
Yes, I accept your point. I want to tell you that most of the students are preparing for the government job because they want too much money and it will also provide security. That's why they want to get government job.
Okay.
But these types of things will not happen in private job. That's why.
And the time
But also Akash and the institute they will give lots of money to the children.
Since their childhood, their parents have been saying that in the private sector you won't get lots of money, but in the government sector you will get a lot of money. That's why they choose government sector.
And they use their study in private
This
school.
government is our private teachers like a DAV and lots of school. Their teachers are like earn lots of money.
But
Yeah, Akash. Okay, Akash. Akash. I'm talking about the Akash and what about the PW.
Yes.
The lots of teachers earn lots of money.